Much better. Okay. Hey, YouTube fam. It's me. How are you? I just thought I would do something I haven't done in a while. I wanted to show off a couple of things and do some food-based things. One, if you have a Smart and Final nearby, or they have an Amazon, um, they have, I don't know if you remember these. Hold on. Yeah, let's tilt this up a bit. Yes, if you remember these, those are always good. Those are childhood favorites of mine. Those are like Hubba Bubba and the Bubble Yum. Oh my gosh. But the real thing, I might do something with this, sometime before the year's over. And then the real thing I wanted to do was show some of my older family and the new ones a little fun fact about, how I pick stuff out, especially like produce, and do a little mukbang too. So, here's how I do it. I'll, I'll use one of my faves. I'll have me a nice little apple here. I don't know which one these are, but if you can see it, it's pretty good. Um, if you can see it, I don't know which color they are or whatever. Um, just a little fun fact here. Um, they, so here's how I pick them out. So I know they feel good, but this is how I find out if I know they're good. So, I didn't know if you could hear it, but hold on.